Let's look at Chapter 8, Lesson 3, Extension, zooming in on the number line. We need to write the number that is halfway between the two numbers. So between 0 and 10, the difference between 0 and 10 is 10. Halfway between would be 5. Between 2 and 8, the difference between 2 and 8 would be 6. So I know that I would need to divide 6 by 2, which would be 3 is my halfway mark. So 2 plus 3 would be 5. Do the same thing for number 3. Between 0 and 1, I know that there's little tick marks that would represent tenths. So I know that it would be 5 tenths. Between 2 and 3, the same thing. I have tenth marks. And I know that between 2 and 3, halfway would be 2 and 5 tenths, or 2.5. Again, for between 0 tenths and 1 tenths, I have hundredths marks. And I know that in between there would be 15 hundredths. And in between 1.5 and 1 6/10, I have hundredths marks. And I know that it would be 1 in 55 hundredths. Circle the smaller number in each pair. So first look at the whole number. I know that 3 and 3 is the same. 7 is greater than 0 though, so the smaller number would be 3 and 9 hundredths. 4 and 4 is the same, but 1 is greater than 0, so 4 and 3 hundredths is the smallest. 7 and 8 are not the same. 7 is smaller than 8. 6 and 5 are, or 6 and 6 are the same. Then I have 0 and the tenths marks and 3. And I know that 3 is greater than 0.